Okay, what we're going to do now is learn how to copy layers in Photoshop. So let's get Photoshop up. This is another extremely easy thing to do in Photoshop, and of course it's one of the first basic things you should learn how to do. I'm just going to start a new document. I've got the default settings there. Now basically layers you'll find over here on your right side. I'm going to pull it out a bit so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to drag down this a bit. As you can see, we have our background white right there. To start a new layer, you go down to the little page turn icon down the bottom, click on that, and we get our first layer on top. Now I'm going to draw a circle so we have something to play with. Go to the circle tool, just drag out. You can do whatever you want really if you want to draw something or use a photo. So we've got our layer here. To duplicate the layer, all we have to do is click on the layer that you want to duplicate, drag that down to the same icon that we started a new layer with, let go, and there you go, we have duplicated our layer successfully. As you can see, it was very, very easy to do. So there you go, that's how we duplicate a layer.